In this video, I'll be showing you how to restore data from iCloud backup. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, but it is kind of an all or nothing process. So firstly, you can only do it during the initial setup of an iPhone or iPad. So what you want to do firstly is go over to your settings application, go ahead and scroll to general, then go ahead and scroll down and you're going to see transfer or reset iPhone. Then what you want to do is erase all content and settings. It's going to show you everything that's going to be erased and then just go through it. Then once you go ahead and do that, once you set up, you're going to be able to re-log in to your iPhone account, like basically your Apple ID. And then once you go ahead and do that, it's going to ask you if you want to transfer your apps and data. Then you want to press restore from iCloud backup. Once you tap that, you just want to sign in with your Apple account and then you're going to see a list of your most recent backups. And then that's it, you'll be good to go. Now, another method to do this, you can't do everything, but you can do some things, is going over to your iCloud. So you just want to log into your iCloud on your browser of choice. Then from here, what we can do is go like, let's say I want to get some images. I can press the little squares on the top right, then go over to photos. It's going to show me all my images here. Let's say I wanted to get all of these on my phone again. Press select on the top right, then on the top left, press select all. Then once they're all selected on the bottom right, press the three little dots and then I'm going to see download those items. And then that's it. You just want to download it and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all the other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.